My name is Brady Jolly. I am the president and CEO of Jolly Enterprises. I graduated from NKU in 2014 with an entrepreneurship degree. I grew up in Alexandria, Kentucky, just about 20 minutes south of campus. Went to Campbell County High School, graduated there in 2010. I've got a huge family. I've got 4 older sisters. I've got 15 nieces and nephews, so spend a lot of time with my family and enjoy doing that. It was kind of a dream of mine to play basketball at NKU. I was in 5th grade and was watching a game and it was packed. It was a really cool atmosphere, the crowd was going crazy, and I think I said to my dad, like, man, I would love to play here one day. I always think back on that. I remember being so excited and nervous when Coach Beazle called me, talked to me about what it would take to play there. Like I said, it was a dream of mine, so when he started talking to me, it was like, this is what I want to do. My NKU degree has made a difference in my life because I was able to learn from a lot of the professors that I had from real life experience. They weren't just teaching out of a book, but they were teaching from their experiences that they had. One of the projects that we did, we had to interview a local entrepreneur. I reached out to Bob Castellini, and right away, Bob Castellini, the owner of the Reds, he messaged me back, and that was one of the coolest experiences of my NKU career. Really had seen my parents grow and run Jolly Plumbing, but it was really neat for me to be able to see how other people have done it and how they've found ways to be successful in business. It really gave me an outside-the-box thinking approach. At Jolly Enterprises, we have 6 different companies. Our plumbing company, Jolly Plumbing, is what we kind of know most for. When you step into our office, we don't want you to think you're dealing with a normal plumber or a normal plumbing company. I bring my dog, Flush, to work with me every day. The girls in the office absolutely love it. He has definitely made it a happier place around here. It means a great deal to win the Outstanding Young Alumnus Award. I was completely surprised and just honored. One word that would describe NKU for me would be community. Because I was able to build a lot of the relationships there, and truthfully, I didn't even know I was building relationships that would help me down the road, but it has, and that's been neat.